Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. Today we're going to do a little routine maintenance on our outdoor wood stove, so y'all stay with us. So here on the back of the stove, this cover comes off and there's like these screens or racks that come out. They're removable, and so I'll take those out and then clean in kind of behind those where those were located. So this is sort of what we have to clean today, and these screens are in between these little racks, and I'll pull those out. We'll clean the screens, we'll clean in between the racks, and that'll be good for today. These aren't the easiest thing to get out, to be honest with you. So to clean this part of the stove, I'm going to try something new. I picked up a brush that connects with the drill, and we'll see if this will do any good as far as cleaning off that soot and creosote. See how this goes. So this is working pretty good. This is really just a kind of soft bristled nylon brush, but it's taking the stuff off pretty good. Some of it's coated on pretty thick from this creosote, as you can see here, but it's taking it off each of these other screens and doing a pretty good job. So I was able to get just kind of the outer layer right here on the edge, the outside edge, with that brush. I wasn't able to get in between them. So I'm gonna try this steel brush, see if I can get in there. It's really narrow, but let's see if I can fit in there and scrape any more off. So we're able to scrape a little bit more off with this kind of narrow stick. Get in between these rails and get some more of it off. Next, we're going to open up our chimney clean out and see if it needs any attention, see if there's any buildup in it. It's a little hard to see in there, but there's really not much in it. We'll see if we can clean it out. That's really about it right there. Rake off some off the sides and call that pretty good. And there's daylight in it. Close this back up. So I think that'll wrap it up for cleaning the stove today. It's been warm the last couple of days, so we really haven't had an active fire, but it gave us a chance to clean it out, and it looks much better. If you've got good ways about cleaning your central boiler stove, let us know. Send us a comment, because this whole setup is a little bit new to us. We had a different stove for about 15 years, totally different system for cleaning out ashes and doing the maintenance. So this is kind of new to us, but if you got some recommendations and suggestions, let us know. Send us a comment on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep for the next fire. It's gonna get cool in the next couple of days. I'm actually gonna use some cuttings off our Christmas tree this year. I know that online a lot of people feed them to their goats and things that they have, but we don't have anything like that on our property. All we have is dogs and cats. So we use some of our Christmas tree cuttings just to burn in the stove, and they're pretty good fire starter. So if you like watching our videos, click the subscribe button, hit the like button, send us some comments. We love getting comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ash Mountain.